DJI Osmo Action 4 Standard Combo 4K/120fps Waterproof Action Camera with a 1/1.3-inch sensor, stunning low-light imaging, 10-bit and D-Log-M color performance, long-lasting 160 minutes, outdoor camera. Product description. Osmo Action 4 has been upgraded with new useful features. Prereq: press the record button, and the camera saves the footage 5/10/15/30/60 seconds before. Great for fishing. Highlight: mark highlight clips when recording or during playback and locate them quickly later. Save more time during your post-editing, especially when reviewing and editing long videos taken on biking trips. Overview. Osmo Action 4 has two basic combos. Osmo Action 4 Standard Combo includes Osmo Action 4, 1 battery, 1 quick-release adapter mount, and some necessary accessories, which are suitable for beginners. Osmo Action 4 Adventure Combo is the advanced option and includes 3 batteries with a multifunctional battery case. The battery case can be one to give the battery a quick charge and improve efficiency. In addition, other combos have different accessories for different sports scenarios. For example, the road cycling set contains bike seat rail mount and mini handlebar mount, etc. You can choose the combo that best fits your needs. Notes. 1. The 120 frames per second high frame rate is applicable to 1080p, 2.7K 16:9, and 4K 16:9 video specifications. The 155 degrees FOV supports up to 4K/60 fps video recording and requires stabilization to be turned off. 2. The horizontal vertical protective frame is required for vertical shooting. 3. Before using the action camera, close the battery cover and the USB-C port cover, and tighten the glass lens cover. It is recommended to install the waterproof case for long-term underwater shooting or in environments with high water impact pressure. Osmo Action 4 and its waterproof case have an IP68 waterproof rating. Do not use the camera in hot springs or extreme underwater environments or let it come into contact with corrosive or unknown liquids. 4. In 25 degrees Celsius 77 degrees Fahrenheit laboratory environment and at 1080p/24 fps, 16:9, with rocksteady on, Wi-Fi off, and screen off. This data is for reference only. 5. Tested in a 25 degrees Celsius 77 degrees Fahrenheit laboratory environment while using DJI 30W USB-C charger with the photo-taking/video recording function disabled and screen off, and should be used for reference only. 6. In -20 degrees Celsius -4 degrees Fahrenheit laboratory environment and at 1080p/24 fps, 16:9, with rocksteady on, Wi-Fi off, and screen off. This data is for reference only. Please check the product guides and documents for the full version of these notes. What's in the box? Osmo Action 4 X1. Osmo Action Extreme Battery X1. Osmo Action Horizontal Vertical Protective Frame X1. Osmo Action Quick Release Adapter Mount X1. Osmo Action Curved Adhesive Base X1. Osmo Locking Screw X1. Type-C to Type-C PD cable